Guangzhou, Yueshen Medical Equipment Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as Yueshen Med, compounded with the R&D and sale of medical device, is a professional supplier of medical equipment, especially in the field of medical X-ray machine. Headquartered in Guangzhou, Yueshen Med covers the business of medical imaging, laboratory equipment, operation room equipment, gynecology and neonatal equipment, dental equipment, hospital furniture, and other medical equipment. Based on mutual trust and good service, our mission is to provide the most cost-effective medical equipment for hospitals and clinics around the world. In 2006, we exported 125 sets of medical X-ray machine to Congo at one time, setting a record of exporting medical X-ray machine to foreign countries. In 2008, the same customer ordered another 150 X-ray units and 800 sets of surgical instruments. So far, we have established good cooperation with customers from 160 countries globally. Yueshen Med insists on the idea of reputation first, customers foremost, which is the aim of our after-sale service. We have established a good after-sale service team, providing powerful backup force to our customers. In recent years, we have been granted the Nationwide Medical Device After-Sale Service Advanced Unit. Guangzhou Yueshen Medical Equipment Company Limited is committed to be your trustworthy supplier and exporter in the field of medical equipment. Buy medical equipment. Please choose Yueshen Med.